Apple is reportedly skipping the standard iPhone 18 this September. No regular model, no iPhone Air 2, just the Pro, the Pro Max, and Apple's very first foldable iPhone sharing the stage. Let's start with the chip. The Pro Max is expected to run on the A20 Pro, Apple's first 2nm chip. Leaks suggest up to 15% faster performance while using nearly 30% less power. Alongside it, Apple's new C2 modem is rumored to cut ties with Qualcomm for good finally. Now the design, the dynamic island is reportedly shrinking, with Face ID sensors moving under the display for the first time. Leaks point to a 48-megapixel main camera with variable aperture, and the telephoto lens is also rumored to stay at 48 megapixels, but with a wider aperture than last year. Front camera reportedly jumps to 24 megapixels, reportedly shifts to the top left corner too, for a cleaner screen overall. And some leakers claim the variable aperture and upgraded telephoto could stay exclusive to the Max, leaving the regular Pro behind. On the inside, storage is reportedly climbing too. Leaks point to 12 gigabytes of RAM across the board, with a top storage option going all the way up to 2 terabytes. The display itself isn't changing size, still 6.9 inches on the Pro Max, but it's rumored to use a refined LTPO panel for smoother scrolling and better battery efficiency at low refresh rates. Basically the same screen size, but sharper and smarter underneath. Battery is where things get interesting and the numbers keep shifting. The latest regulatory leaks point to a 5,567 mAh battery for the US eSIM model and 5,391 mAh for the version with a physical SIM tray. That's close to a 10 to 12% jump over last year's Pro Max. The regular Pro barely moves though, reportedly landing around 4,288 mAh, almost identical to before. Apple is also reportedly testing a new metal casing for the battery itself, instead of the usual pouch style. The idea is better heat management, since sustained gaming and AI tasks push these chips harder than ever. Colors reportedly include a new dark cherry finish, alongside light blue, dark grey, and silver. Now the part nobody likes talking about: pricing. Analysts estimate the Pro Max could start somewhere around $1,449 to $1,499, and rising 2nm chip cost could push that higher. And overshadowing all of it, Apple's first foldable iPhone, possibly called the iPhone Ultra, is expected to launch right alongside it, with a price that could cross $2,000. So here's where we land. A 20 Pro chip, under-display Face ID, a true variable aperture camera, and Apple's biggest battery yet, but it's arriving next to a foldable that might steal the entire event. Apple hasn't confirmed any of this yet. September will tell us the truth. So, would you still get the Pro Max? Or is the foldable pulling your attention this year?